Good evening, everyone, and I just want to quickly give you guys this short tip. And this video is only for my followers. So now, what we are experiencing in the market now, we can see that most of our trades are recovering. You know, market are going bullish for some days now. So I want to show us something that is very, very important. Firstly, all my strategy, there's no day I don't make money, either market goes down or not. You can never see any day that I miss my daily profit. You can see what I'm showing every day. So, and I need to share this with all my followers. So what I'm going to show you now is that if you look at this iron, I have profit of -$7. This has reached -$50 before, you know. But despite the fact that it went so deep, I'm still making my daily income. So I want to show you, most of us that stuck in the market and you didn't make money for days, for weeks, this is what I'm suggesting by myself. You can copy it at your own risk if it is making sense to you. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open, because let me first of all do this. If I come to quantitative, you can see that my balance now is above 1,000, and this my balance has, for last week my balance is between $400 to $300. So that means some of my trade have really recovered. So now what I want to do now is I want to now look at the level at which all my accounts are, because the reason is, if you look at this, the trade on this trade, it has peaked fourth level, you know, fourth layers. So, and average price which this fourth layer will close as a profit, because you know fourth layer is part of full warehouse. That means price must get to 0.1811. That is average price in which this account will close. So what am I going to do? One, I'll prefer to lock this little float for as long as possible, then so that I can use this $1,000 plus now to execute fresh trade, fresh settings. So having said that, this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to come to this. Is for any of my accounts that is 4, is not greater than 4, I will do the same thing. First of all, I'll put it in one shot, and two, I'll come to stop. I'll come to stop margin call. I don't want it to pick any margin call again. So I've stopped the margin call. That means the bot is going to lock this account on level 4. It will never go to my account, to my dollars, and pick money again. That is number one. So from here, I'm going to, so that all the capital I've recouped back will not go back to the market, should be in case the market doesn't go and hit my take profit and the bear direction start again. Look at this. Algo is on fifth layer, so there's nothing I can do. So excuse me, I'll still leave Algo like this, but I'm going to put Algo in one shot, so that when it closes, I'll be able to restart it manually and adjust my settings, because now I have enough money to acquire more assets. So I'm not going to do anything, but I'm going to put it one shot. I'll come to ATA. ATA is 4th layers now. So definitely I'm going to put ATA in one shot, which I've done, and I'm going to come to margin stop, margin call. So ATA will not take any other money from my capital to invest. Should be in case it's going bearish again. So I will do the same thing to all. This one too is 4. I put it in one shot already. Then I come to stop margin call. So it won't pick another one. Then let me go to Ripple. Ripple is 4 also. I've already put it in one shot, and I'll come to stop margin call, so that it will dip into my money again. So definitely I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trade going on, and I've stopped 4 of them. It's only Argo that I can't stop, because it's still on the 5th level. It must be 4th level before I can apply this strategy properly. So having done that, I can now come to a quantitative. You see that now I have 1,259 in my USD that is reserved. Nothing can touch this money now because I've locked all these assets so that they will not go deep. This is what you can do. You that you are already in the deep for a very long time, you can lock those things and take the dollar that you have already recouped, take it back out and reinvest it with a good strategy. I'm going to generate another new strategy for all my followers, which I'm going to put on the channel for them to apply. So now, this is just a short video I want to do to explain how you can pull out some dollars from your dip and reinvest it in a proper way. For example, people that have already used what we call it, you use on your trade settings, you use martingale level on this, where you put 2, 4, 5, and you are already in the market. If you are already back in profit, as in if you're already back with some tangible buffer, which is you have some tangible USDT, you better lock that asset so that it doesn't dip. You know that you are going to hold the little exposure you have till they come back to profit. And what you have, like myself, I have $1,259 now. I will reinvest it with a good strategy. So this is just a short video for everyone, and bye bye until you hear from me within the week.